Alrighty, thanks for hanging out. This is Michael Alder from CarpetExpertBlueprint.com doing a review on the two most common linoleum knives in the game and my opinion on which one is better. Now, price-wise, you can get either one of these for under $5. And as far as brands go, they're both the exact same knife that you would get under each brand. So like, for example, this one's Stanley. Somebody else will have the same exact knife with their own label put on it. This one's made by Roberts, but you know, Crane and all the other companies have the same exact knife. They just throw their label on it. It's all mass produced in China. So let's check out the Stanley knife first. And while I'm doing this, also be sure to drop by CarpetExpertBlueprint.com. There will be a link below the video. We're doing the DIY toolkit giveaway every single week, so you can get in on that action there. So here's the thing. Small blade, very lightweight, I like that. The grip's all right, but it's like a high gloss wood, so I'm not loving that. Blade's kind of sharp, not that that's a big deal. You don't usually need the blade to be super sharp on these anyway, but okay, price point under $5. Grip, okay, but not great. And the blade is kind of small, I think. So let's go with the Roberts here. Cut this package open without cutting myself open. All right, much bigger blade. Definitely sharper too. Grip, I like the grip a lot more on this. Got a little bit of squeeze, a little bit of give, so easier to handle when you're doing a fast tuck there and you won't slip and actually cut yourself on the blade there. So overall, price-wise, for both of them being under $5, personally, I would go with the Roberts or this one with the rubber grip handle as, like I said, you know, Crane might make the same exact model. You know how it's labeled with the red plastic in here. I think Lowe's carries the same one because this was purchased at Home Depot. Lowe's has the same one with a yellow plastic piece, and it may be made by Crane or Lowe's private label products. So look for these hook knives. That's my personal opinion. One downside to these though, a lot of carpet guys will use these to pop off doors. You use the point here to get under the door hinge and you knock it up with your hammer and pop it out. It'll break the hinge in the handle here, and there's no turning back after that. A lot of guys will rig it up and try and duct tape the handle to keep the blade back in place. It'll actually snap over if you're tucking too hard and cut your hand. So that's the only downside to this knife versus this Stanley with the wooden handle here. So like I said, that's my 2 cents on these two. If I was in the market for a linoleum knife, I would go for the one with the rubber grip. Be sure to subscribe and comment below with any questions about review videos that you would like done on the flooring industry. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video.